Floods are among the most devastating natural disasters in the world, claiming lives and causing damage to properties and infrastructure. In Nigeria, flood affects and displaces more than any other disaster yearly. After the 2012 flooding incident, several committees were set up by the governments at the federal level and the respective states affected by the flood. Also in November 2022, the federal government inaugurated a presidential committee on flood disasters. The mandate of the committee was to conduct research and develop comprehensive action plans for preventing flood disasters in Nigeria. As it stands today, the recommendations of studies conducted by the committees are yet to be fully implemented. Therefore, in response to the recurrent menace, and especially as the rains are here with us again this year, the NSE Council deemed it necessary for the society to make an informed statement on the mitigating measures for flooding. Floods cannot be prevented. They can only be managed to reduce their devastating consequences. The position paper put together by an ad hoc committee set up for the purpose was packaged as a press release material and has since been published in 3 national newspapers in June this year. It has become necessary for us to re-echo the strong suggestions made in that paper, as we have begun to see flooding incidences around Nigeria and even within the Federal Capital Territory. And with the threat that the authorities in Cameroon are going to open the Lagdo dam, we are likely going to have more of such floods. The NSE position paper on flood control in Nigeria enumerated the causes of flooding, the challenges occasioned by flooding, as well as solutions for mitigating the menace, which were categorized into short, medium, and long-term solutions. Copies of the paper will be circulated for your reference.